going to start out by sifting my cocoa over my room temperature butter. I left it a little bit firm because when I cream it, as you're going to see right here, I want it to be a little thick so the butter can combine very well with the chocolate. So in between combining the butter with the cocoa, I'm just gonna scrape my pan down and I'm gonna continue to mix it until it's fully combined. Now that that's combined, I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of my powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of my heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to mix it in. And then I'll continue to do that until I'm totally finished adding all the sugar and all the heavy whipping cream. Look at the video. This is the last addition that I'm going to do. I do add in all the amounts that I have in the ingredients list, but I didn't want to make the video super long. So you won't see me add in exactly all of the powdered sugar and the heavy whipping cream, but you get it. Okay, so for the last step, I'm going to add in my vanilla, and then I'm going to add in my espresso powder. This is used for baking. This is not instant espresso. This is a super easy recipe, and it pairs very well with my chocolate cake recipe, which I'll be adding soon. This buttercream is perfect for fondant cakes and tiered cakes. As you can see, it's really thick and it holds up very, very well.